Trustees present tonight are Trustee Ciro Calderon, Trustee Enrique Alvarado, Trustee Magallanes, and Trustee Romero. We have quorum.
Thank you, Cristina. A2, Pledge of Allegiance. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
B, comments from the public. The board will take any and all comments from the public related to the sole items on the agenda. Cristina, are there any comments?
No comments.
Thank you. There's no comment. There's no comments for the closed session of this meeting. Item C, announcement of convening into closed session. Amy?
There's nothing no announcement of facts and circumstances. You'll be going into closed session on D1, public employee performance evaluation.
Thank you, Amy. So we'll be back, and we will let the public know when we're back to open session. Thank you.